Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error on TikTok. So guys, if you want to sign up on TikTok and you have put your date of birth and it's showing here this type of error, so it looks like you're not eligible for TikTok, but thanks for checking us out. Okay guys, basically it's appear here or it's appear at the top of your screen. What is this error? So if you have given your date of birth and your age is above 13 and showing this type of error, then it means you have created lot of account on your device. That's why it's showing this type of error. And if you have selected your age as under 13 year and it's showing this type of error, then you have to put your date of birth and then you have to select your age above 13 year, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you have selected your date of birth above 13 year and showing this type of error, then what you need to do is just simply delete some accounts from your device, and after that you have to put your date of birth, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then what you need to do is just simply open TikTok, and then what you need to do is just simply tap on this plus icon, and now from here you have to wait for a while. And now you have to tap on other and wait for a while again. And here you have to put no, and then you have to tap on need more help. And let me tell you that you have to put the screenshot of your pop-up error. Okay guys, so you have to put the screenshot of your problem, and here you have to write about your problem. So I have already copied and given in the description as well, so you can copy from there. Just simply tap on this and it will redirect to your gallery, and you have to select that screenshot which you have taken recently, and here you have to write this one, so you can copy from my description. Tap on done. Now tap on submit, and after that your request will be submitted, and TikTok team will contact with you as soon as possible, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.